Planning Executive Director. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming to the stage Miss Jennifer Sampson. Good morning, Jen. The stage is yours.
Hello everyone. I'm so glad to have all of you in our unveiling event. As we unveil our groundbreaking products today, please join us in shaping more fresh possibilities for a better and smarter living. Unveiling starts now, and it starts with the refrigerator. As we acclaim our product leadership globally, HireF is continuously growing, surpassing industry growth. As perceived as premium brand, providing more innovative products in multi-door platform, it sustains its high value and #1 position in 7 countries. With Star product driven, it opens breakthrough opportunities in many overseas, including Southeast Asia. Thanks for your utmost support, for giving trust and confidence for our multi-door segment as being the #1 4-door in Philippine market. Increasing customer expectation and tougher competition are always a problem we need to face. With those industry trends and challenges, how shall we respond in achieving our goal to provide smarter living? First, persistent and multi-door leading in premium segment, affordable and capable in promoting improved quality lifestyle. Second, differentiated mainstream as we recently launched the first all-fresh, double the freshness in fridge and freezer with a cutting-edge technology, the Fresher Shield. This is suitable for customers willing to invest and upgrade in high-quality products and experience. And last, but with significant importance, is providing high energy efficiency products equipped with Twin Inverter gives you more efficiency in energy consumption. Now, I am so thrilled to give you another breakthrough creations and more possibilities, providing you a fresh experience, a refrigerator that blends freshness and elegance for your kitchen and lifestyle that you aspire. Flexi style with inspired premium design featuring glass and metallic craftsmanship with 4 color variants: piano black, champagne gold, snow white, and metallic cyan for a dynamic and futuristic touch. The color of the future. The champagne gold, the snow white glass, and metallic cyan. Freshness in every view led to enhance organized storage, improve accessibility, and maintain optimal temperature for extending freshness of fruits, vegetables, meat, and dairy products. It has also exclusive storage with 3 temperature options, catering to various needs. This can improve food preservation, tailored for storing breast milk and baby food at optimal temperatures, ensuring that these sensitive products are kept safe and fresh. For freshness that lasts, it maintains humidity at 90% for keeping proper moisture. Let's watch this video to better appreciate this technology.
Okay. Enjoy the most original flavors. Each design leads to an extreme experience with precise temperature, allows you to enjoy fresh and delicious food at any time, and a care for every moment of use with this HDU, promoting odor and bacteria-free. Another product to be unveiled today. I'm so enchanted to unveil another new horizon of modern lifestyle. The door of the future. A true reflection of sleek, futuristic infusing your home with modern sophistication and elevating its overall ambience. This is to widen the horizon of beer glass collection from bottom mount, no frost, and T-door for multi-door segment. Elegance at its finest, made from high-quality mirror glass material, scratch resistance matches, ensuring pristine appearance over time. Again, the door of the future, the mirror glass collection. Moreover, redefine refrigeration convenience with Magic Zone, HD Fresh and Twin Inverter. Keep your food fresh and nutrients intact for a healthier lifestyle. As I conclude my presentation, Higher Ref will continuously build number one competitiveness product portfolio, persistent in leading product innovation, deliver competitive products, and constant communicating for product value, integrate online platforms, events, and media touchpoints to improve sales conversion. And to end my presentation, let's watch this video.